Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The wind carries your whisper across the silent night. Every star reminds me of your fading light.
I hear your name in thunder, I feel you in the rain. Even when you're gone now, your love remains in pain.
I walked alone through shadows, holding memories tight. Your promises were sunlight, now fading out of sight.
Ngiyakukhumbula njalo, every single day. My heart still sings your story, though you walked away.
I try to hide my sorrow behind a smiling face, but every song reminds me of your warm embrace.
Ngihlala until you touch my soul. Now your love is missing, leaving an empty hole.
Tell me why love hurts so deep.
Why men refuse to sleep?
Even when we try to move on, our hearts still choose to weep. Ngihlala ngikukhumbula, I still feel your love inside. Though the distance pulls us far, you live within my heart and mind. Through the tears and broken dreams, through the storms that we survive.
Ngihlala ngikukhumbula, your love keeps me alive.
Your love keeps me alive. Hey, yeah, uthando lwami, ngiyakuthanda njalo. Ngiyakuthanda so.
Inside my fragile chest,
Ooh, I kept your letters hidden
inside my fragile chest,
your words became
the lullaby that never lets me rest.
kanumfazi wakho.
With dreams so pure and true,
While the nights feel colder without the warmth of you.
I chased the wrong direction, lost what mattered most. Now I stand here broken, talking to your ghost.
Now celebrate, forgive my foolish pride. I would trade forever just to have you by my side.
Maybe love is never fair,
Maybe pain is always there,
but every heartbeat whispers that our souls still care. Ngihlala ngikukhumbula, I still feel your love inside. Though the distance pulls us far, you live within my heart and mind. Through the tears and broken dreams, through the storms that we survive. Ngihlala ngikukhumbula, your love keeps me alive. If love finds us again someday, would you stay this time?
If destiny rewrites our story,
I'll never leave your side.
our hearts were written in stars.
Even pain can't erase who we are. Ngihlala ngikukhumbula, even if the world moves on, your love is my forever song. Your memory keeps me strong, through the darkness and the light, through every tear I've cried. Ngihlala ngikukhumbula, your love will never die. Ngihlala ngikuthanda, ngihlala